is the roll RO-3 self-propelled floor stripper in transport mode, ready to go to the next room. We've got its lead and its bag of blades and accessories hanging on the side. Transport from one room to the next. Nice big wheel. Once we're in position, move our accessories bag and lead. Run the machine over on its back. Remove those transport wheels. While we're in this position, we also replace the blade. There's a couple of extra handlebars here for carrying it upstairs and things. Assist for more than one person to carry it. They just screw into the side of the blade holder as such, but you always remove them when you go to do the floor stripping. We're going to fit the trenching blade, make it even across the machine, and do up 3 bolts. And ready to go. Multi-fit safety plug. If the lead gets caught, it pulls out very quickly. That can go either way. Still work. We've got a switch off and on, the drive motor here, and then another switch for the agitator front. Make a cut in the floor to get the blade under it to start. We'll do that as close as we can to the doorway here. And the blade will be able to cut underneath that. So once the machine is ready to start, we just move it forward. Another point to note is this lead here. Keep our road, I suggest running over the shoulder. Move the lead, move towards the cut. Then we start our agitator. Once we've made our first cut, then we start trenching the opposite way. We'll turn the machine around, continue the cut back the other way. We're going to turn away from the lead. Trenching the opposite way to the first cut. Start as close as we can to the wall. half time to speed in reverse, which is very convenient for a big area. Don't leave more than the blade is. So the strip is wet, you notice here, so we can pick it up without having to cut through the sides again. Close as possible you can to a full blade with the lead thing. So we'll change back to a flat blade, a bit of tension blade to save damage to skirting when we're coming in close to it. This is the trenching blade. It's got the turn-ups on the edge that cuts the trench out of the vinyl. I'm just going to swap that for a flat blade with the bevel is up, facing down at the floor. We're working on concrete. If we're using on timber, you would turn that blade down the other way so it won't dig into the timber. We're on a concrete floor, so the bevel's facing up. Clamp the blade back in, 3 bolts. Just a little bit up to the wall. Depending how well glued down is, you might be able to just lift it and pull it straight up. We'll attempt to just peel it up from the wall in sections and then strip it up.